Style. That's the first thing that grabs you when you see the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper Cruiser. Welcome back to Speed Society. The Fury has always been Honda's way of proving that chopper spirit can live on in a factory-built machine. And this year, it's sharper, sleeker, and bolder than ever. With that stretched-out silhouette, long forks, and attitude written all over it, the 2025 Fury isn't just about riding, it's about making a statement every time you roll out. Today, we're diving into what makes this chopper-inspired cruiser stand apart in a sea of ordinary bikes. The legacy of the 2025 Honda Fury. The original Honda Fury was a dare. In an era of traditional cruisers, Honda's designers took a massive risk. They looked at the world of custom choppers, with their raked-out front ends, stretched fuel tanks, and hardtail looks, and asked a simple question: why can't we build that? And they did. It became an instant icon because it offered that rebellious, show-stopping chopper aesthetic straight from the factory, backed by Honda's legendary fit, finish, and reliability. The 2025 model isn't just a re-release, it's a celebration of that daring spirit. It carries the legacy of being the bike that lets every rider own a piece of that custom culture dream, without any of the compromises. It's a statement that true style is timeless. Design and aesthetic. Let's be clear, the Fury is all about the look. And what a look it is. The 2025 model turns the visual drama up to 11. It's a rolling sculpture of radical angles and minimalist style. The extreme 38 degrees of rake on the front end, the long, elegant forked tubes, and the stretched-out wheelbase create that iconic, ground-hugging chopper profile. The tank is long, sleek, and perfectly accentuates the bike's dramatic lines. The solo seat sits up high, leading the eye to a beautifully integrated, minimalist rear fender. The overall effect is one of a seemingly endless machine. Every single component, from the fat front tire to the slashed mufflers, is chosen for visual impact. This isn't a bike you just ride, it's a bike you are seen on. It's a head-turner, a conversation starter, and a piece of art on two wheels. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Fury beats a thoroughly modern and reliable powerhouse, Honda's 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin. Don't let the old-school looks fool you, this engine is a gem. It's fuel-injected, smooth, and packed with character. It's tuned for that classic V-twin feel, strong, pulsing low-end and mid-range torque that pulls with authority from a stoplight. You're not buying the Fury for top speed runs, you're buying it for that authentic, thumping cruiser feel. The power delivery is perfectly suited to the bike's character, relaxed, confident, and full of soul. The exhaust note is a deep, mellow burble that complements the chopper vibe without being obnoxiously loud. It's the perfect engine for this machine, enough power to feel exciting, but always smooth, reliable, and impeccably mannered. Technology and features. In true chopper spirit, the Fury keeps things simple and focused on the experience. You won't find a complex TFT dash or riding modes here. Instead, you get a clean, classic-looking digital speedometer embedded in the riserless handlebar clamp, giving you all the essential info without breaking the minimalist aesthetic. The technology is where it counts, in the flawless fuel injection, the standard ABS for confident stopping power, and the impeccable reliability that Honda is famous for. Keyless ignition might be the one modern luxury that fits the bill, adding a touch of convenience to the retro package. The Fury proves that sometimes, the best technology is the technology you don't have to think about. Handling and comfort. Now, riding a chopper is a unique experience, and the Fury is no exception. The handling is deliberate. That long rake and extended wheelbase make it incredibly stable in a straight line, feeling planted and unshakable on the highway. It loves to go straight. Cornering requires a bit more planning and a smooth, steady input on the wide, pullback handlebars. This isn't a canyon carver, it's a boulevard cruiser. And that's exactly the point. The riding position is pure chopper. Your feet are forward on the foot pegs, your hands are up high, and you're leaning back into a relaxed, almost reclined posture. It forces you to slow down, to enjoy the ride, and to savor the envious looks you get at every intersection. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps well enough for a day of cruising, though you'll always be aware you're on a bike with a very specific purpose, style. Riding experience. Riding the Fury is less about the destination and all about the journey. It's a meditative, cool experience. You feel the gentle pulse of the V-twin through the handlebars. You hear the low rumble of the exhaust. You sit back and watch the world go by at your own pace. It's a motorcycle that makes you feel like a rock star on a simple errand. Every stoplight becomes a photo op, every gas station fill-up invites questions. It's not the fastest or the most agile bike, but it might just be the one that makes you feel the best. It's a mood. It's an escape. It's a reminder that motorcycling is, at its core, about joy and expression. Upgrades. The beauty of the Fury is that it's already 90% of the way to a full custom look. But the aftermarket world will be ready to help you finish the job. Think custom handlebars for an even more personalized stance, a different exhaust for a bit more sound, or a custom saddle for ultimate solo cruising comfort. The simplicity of the platform makes it incredibly easy to work on and modify, inviting owners to put their own final stamp on this factory custom. Who is this for? The Honda Fury is for the individualist. It's for the rider who values style and statement above all else. It's the perfect bike for someone who loves the chopper aesthetic but doesn't want the maintenance headaches of an actual custom build. It's for the urban rider who dominates city streets and for the weekend cruiser who lives for those slow, scenic coastal roads. Pricing and availability. Honda has positioned the Fury as a premium, style-focused model within its lineup. It's not the cheapest cruiser you can buy, but it offers incredible value when you consider you're getting a radical, head-turning custom style with Honda's legendary reliability and warranty. Final thoughts. Attitude. That's what the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper Cruiser delivers mile after mile. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's a rolling expression of individuality, blending Honda's reliability with that unmistakable chopper soul. Bold lines, stretched geometry, and cruiser comfort all come together to create a ride that's as confident as it is stylish. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Fury, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe to Speed Society for more real-world looks at the most striking motorcycles out there. Until next time, ride bold, ride free, and keep chasing that open road spirit.